Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Instagram from phone. So you can see that I am on my phone. Then you simply need to open Instagram application and log in into your account and click on the plus icon in the bottom. From here, you need to select any picture. So I'm going to select this one for example. Click on next, and if you want, you can change filter from here. So I'm going to add this one for example. If you want, you can add music from top here. You can browse different music in the for you page as well in browse, and if you want, you can search by typing the name. And after adding the music, you simply need to click on next, and here you need to add a caption. If you want, you can add location, you can tag people as well, and then you need to click on share in the bottom. So this is the complete process by which you can post on Instagram from phone. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.